Here is the brand new Lincoln Corsair, the replacement to the Lincoln MKC. Like the MKC that preceded before, it is based off of the Ford Escape platform. Something that Lincoln really prides itself at, and something they really emphasize in their press conference, is their prioritization of luxury, comfort, and isolation. They aren't trying to make this a very sporty to drive car. They don't emphasize the dynamics or the exhaust noise or the performance. They're trying to build a luxury car to be very, very luxurious. They emphasize the sound deadening, the quietness, the isolation from the road. They're really trying to make it as luxurious as possible, and they aren't trying to copy the BMW recipe where they want to make everything sporty and drive excellent. So here we have the brand new Corsair. The exterior updates are pretty nice. It brings it to the latest styling changes with the Lincoln grille that kind of debuted on the Continental. It's got the headlight shape. It looks very similar to an Aviator. It's like a little baby Aviator. I think it's a great improvement over the MKC. It looks very sleek. It's slightly larger. It's gone to the single like horizontal light bar around back. It's a good looking vehicle. Now you see this says 2.3T. There are two different engine options available. The base is a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 that makes 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. This 2.3T is an upgrade. It's 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. With the base engine, front-wheel drive is standard, and you can option up all-wheel drive. With the upgraded 2.3-liter engine, you get all-wheel drive as standard. Both of them get a 8-speed automatic transmission. Something else to note is there will not be a black label version of this. This is the entry-level Lincoln. It's the baby crossover, so they're not going a crazy over-the-top black label version. Still looks really nice though. Let's hop inside and check out the interior. Like I said, there won't be a crazy over-the-top black label version, but that doesn't mean this won't be nice and luxurious. It's got 24-way adjustable seats as an option. You can upgrade to the Revel sound system. It's got the signature kind of new Lincoln screen here, the Lincoln display graphics on it. It's got this kind of floating center console too with the analog buttons for climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, your volume. There's a touchscreen mounted there. The materials all seem really nice, really good quality, and pretty spacious too. There are all sorts of high-tech safety features, convenient features available: 360 view camera, parking assistance, adaptive cruise control, brake collision avoidance. All that stuff is available on this vehicle. Luxury features, I mentioned like the 24-way adjustable seats. It has those available there too. There will be a hybrid version coming too. Nothing confirmed yet, but most likely will be the similar hybrid powertrain setup as the Ford Escape. I really like the updates they did to this car. I think it's going to be competitive in the segment. It's really important as this segment is really expanding. I also really like how they aren't really trying to concentrate on making it a performance vehicle. They are focusing entirely on the most comfortable, isolated luxury experience there. They're talking about how it's for the owner to be comfortable and riding in it, isolated from the road. That's the Lincoln Quiet Flight stuff. That's what they're really focusing on, and I think they'll hopefully do a better job of that. They're not trying to do the BMW recipe of making everything a Sporty M model or the Lincoln Corsair ST line. That'd be just stupid. Either way, pretty excited to see these changes. I think it's pretty nice to see, and hopefully Lincoln will be doing great things in the future. We'll do one more walk around of the exterior. This one's option up with the nicer wheels. The blue paint looks pretty nice. Updated lights and everything. Slightly larger than before. Got dual exhaust tips around back. It's got unique styling where it doesn't look exactly like everything else on the road, and it stays within the Lincoln family styling. You can see there's an Aviator right there, and it very you got the resemblance right there. Good job, Lincoln. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.